In today's lecture, we will learn how to create activities in Primavera P6. Viewers, first of all, you have to go to File and here you have to open, uh, select the open, and after you select the open, Primavera will show you your EPS, and under EPS, your created projects. As we know, we have created EPS in our last classes, and under EPS we have created projects Mabila Tower and other is Bank Suhar. Bank Suhar is my own project, and Mabila Tower is tutorial project on which I am making videos for you. So we will select our project Mabila Tower here and click open. When you will click open, another window will appear, and in this window you will see the chart is coming in which your project name is written, and under this project your all work breakdown structures are available. As in our last classes we understand and we learn how to create work breakdown structures. If someone of you didn't know or do not know how to create, you may can see my previous videos regarding WBS. Viewers, also we can see our WBS from here on top of, you can see there is WBS, this is project, this is activities. Because today we have to create the activities, so our focus will be on this bar, activities bar. But viewers, first WBS key milestone, construction and procurement. Under construction we have substructure, superstructure and finishing. But viewers, I want to add something in superstructure. I want superstructure to be more breakup, more breakup of superstructure. I mean, I want first ground floor, first floor, so that our activities are break down into lower levels, so that we can make our plan very comfortable and much accurate. So for this, I have to go to WBS, and I want to create another WB in superstructure. So I will select superstructure and I will go here on plus sign and click here. After you will select, and I will name it ground floor. I want to add one more, so click again. We will name it first floor. I am adding just because you can understand it more clear, because when we go in next videos, in next resource assignment, these breakup will make you understanding very good. Otherwise, if I make WBS very short, and when you work your own, you will feel difficulties. That is why I am trying to make as breakup, so you can understand as easy as you can. So ground floor, first floor, and I also make another WBS which is second floor. So go to activities. Now you can see another levels of ground floor, first floor and second floor are added, and these colors are showing the difference of level of WBS. Don't be feel aware from this. Now viewers, first of all go to substructure, and in substructure we have to add activity. So simply select substructure and go to plus sign. When you will click plus sign, screen will appear in which activity name, asking for activity name. This is activity ID. You don't disturb this. This is automated by Primavera give ID name to each activity, so you don't worry about this. This is the name of the activity you want to name, because in substructure work start from excavation, so we will name it excavation and just click finish. Our activity is added. So I want to add more activity, click again. So I think I have to add few activities, then I will name. So second activity name is compaction. After excavation there will be a compaction, and it is about your project nature. What activity you have, you can write down or mention here. After compaction I have footing. You can also break footing into footing steel, footing formwork, or footing concrete. It's upon you how much you want to plan. It's upon you. After footing I have short columns. After short column I have to add more activities. After short column we have length beam. After plinth beam there must be backfilling. So these are the activities. I think waterproofing. These are the activities that are commonly used in substructure. So I have mentioned all these activities. After that I will go to superstructure. In superstructure I have divided superstructure into ground floor, first floor, and second floor. I did a mistake. Ground floor is under superstructure, first floor is also under superstructure, but second floor is not under superstructure. By my mistake I put it under first floor, so it is not accurate. So I have to go to WBS and make it correct. So just simple select second floor and click on this arrow. Now it is automatically under superstructure. So we will again start our activities, adding our activities. Now uh, I have done this. Yes. Why it is not, it is still showing they say under first floor, because it is not you can say fresh. So let us again open the project Mabella Tower. Now, now let us check. Now you can see, because we were in the same window and we edit it, and that is why it was not showing the changes. Now I open the project again, and now you can see second floor is under the superstructure. Now quickly we will add the activities. First in ground floor I will also tell you the shortcut of activities when you have similar activity, similar type of activities. In ground floor we have columns. After column we have beam and slab, because most of the time beams and slab are casted monolithically. So shuttering work, steel work are also monolithically. So we can make each activity, or it's depend upon you. If you want to make two activities you can. After this block masonry plaster here. So I have put all activities which under ground floor. Now I want to in first floor these activity will be remain same, and in second floor the activity will remain same. So first of all what we have to do, we have to just create the slots. We have 1 2 3 4 slots, so create 4 slots here. So I have create four slots of activities, and same I will create in second floor. So I have created the slot. Now what I will do, I will copy these four activities which were in ground floor and paste in first floor and second floor. So what you have to do, you have to click on column and then control, then click second, third, four. After that you have to right click and copy. After copying you have to came on the first floor and on first activity and right click. Here you can see there is option of fill down, but it is not showing. I don't know why. We can also paste it, but when you will apply for paste, a screen will appear, and in this screen Primavera is asking what type of things, relations, and you want to paste. If you want to do not want to paste anything, you can click here, like activity code, expense, everything. So it is pasted. So I have to delete these activities. We will use this method. I don't know why it is not showing this. So what we have to do, select all, copy and paste. So that is how we have copy ground floor activities and paste into first floor and second floor. Now it was the method uh, with which you can create activities. In our next video, we will work more on activities and we will add more columns in front of activities, and we will work on these bottoms bars, general, status, resources, procedure, successor, and codes. The basic things that are associated with activities we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.